Hi guys, thank you very much and welcome on a very, very warm day. We're going to keep this really brief. I think I say that on most, but anyway, this one is, it's all about when you're out there in the 17, 18, 19 degrees now, and this is at 7:30 in the morning. People are out there running. I've passed them on the way into work already today. As well as that, during the day, people will be out there running again. And it'll be 24, 25 degrees again today. So we've got to ask the question of what do we need to do, how do we hydrate, and what do we need to put into the system? And the biggest thing is sodium, calcium, magnesium, and potassium. All right, so they're the mix of electrolytes. Now people do just add a little bit of a sprinkle of salt into the waters, and that can help. That can be a big help, all right. But the biggest thing is getting that nice, good balance of the electrolytes that you're going to be getting rid of. You're going to be expendituring. You're going to be sweating out during the times that you're running. Now, it doesn't mean that in every water that you take out there, all right, today needs to have all these electrolytes in it, all right. If you're going to be out there, if you're going to be running, you're going to be out in the heat. You're going to be expendituring those vital electrolytes. Then you need to be topping them up at least once a day. Now, this is not an advert, all right? So we're not affiliated with anyone, but you can get yourself just from Boots or Asda's and supermarkets. You can get yourselves electrolytes, all right? They just fizz away into your drinks, and they could be flavoured. Some are absolutely horrible, but some are all right. So yeah, just think about that hydration. We've seen quite a few people out already this morning training. I'm aware of people on their Facebooks training during the day, training in the heat, all right. And sort of 2-3 o'clock is the peak of our day for our heat. So think about how you're hydrating. Just taking water, not enough.